Okay, so I gotta walk by the road to get to these 2 units, but I found a Goodman and a very rare vintage Coleman, and I thought I should stop. Actually, I think I know why there's a Coleman there, but that's why. Because this is a Coleman air conditioning place. Probably could peek through the window and you'd see a lot of AC parts maybe. Here's a Goodman. This is not a heat pump. Actually, hold on. I need to get over here. I think it is a heat pump, and it has been running. It's got a big reversing valve right down in there. Get that all off there. It is from 2009, I believe. And here we got a nice Coleman, and it's a heat pump. Coleman. I'm not sure if this thing is still used. Because if it is, I'd still try to get it defrosting. But there's a very small chance that they still use this thing. The old style disconnect box that you used to see on carry around ones. The data is right here, but it's most likely faded. Yeah, that's not gonna be readable at all. Might be like a late 70s or 80s something. There's the reversing valve. Shit, about right there, and then you can see the reversing valve right there. It has a, I think that's a old Coleman compressor. I don't really know compressors from this age. I believe that's an old Copeland. Yeah, I think that's an older Copeland. I'm unsure of those old ones. But I'm gonna, this winter, remember this unit, because that's something I would love to get defrosting. But there's a really low chance it's still even used. Back here is set to on. It's possible it still works. Very well possible. If it's still here. That Goodman obviously works. And that, speaking of which, that Goodman might actually come on while I'm making this video. There, we'll get a look at the Goodman. It's got a newer disconnect. That one over there has got an old one. Yeah, both heat pumps. It's possible I could get them both defrosting. If I'm patient enough, that is, at least. God. That was wrong. I don't really feel like sticking around to get this Goodman starting up, so we're gonna go. We gotta go. See you guys.